If you've been following my content for a while, you probably know that I have a very, very strict policy. When I review a product, I actually do review it. Most people in this industry, they don't bother to do more than glance at a sales page and then move on. I actually take the time to look at what is being offered and make sure that's actually something that's going to bring genuine value to you. And so that's why I took my time with reviewing Auto Grow Crypto. But now that I've had a chance to see it, I am blown away and I'm loving it. I'm going to tell you all about it after this. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can perform successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here. Now,
I'm Raymond Reddington.
if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know but the drill by now. Yeah, go ahead and skip that. I'm not even going to bother with the stale jokes about my jokes being stale because those are stale too. And even the thing that I say the stale, that's getting stale. Saying that's stale. Anyway, I'm getting confused now. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. To make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, really? You and that other guy, you're like a tag team switching off. Who can say crap the most? It's annoying. Forget it. Okay, seriously. Yeah. Seriously. If you are new to the channel, the way things work here. If I like a product, I will give you a tip. My hat's product great. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. I mean, I see Liz, she's a sweetheart. I love Liz. You know, she used to be my fellow New Yorker. I now live in Pennsylvania, but hey, what the heck. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for Auto Grow Crypto. This is from my friend Jeremy Kennedy. Now, to be perfectly honest, Jeremy usually lets me know in advance when he has a launch going on. In this particular case, for whatever reason, he forgot to tell me about it. So that's why I didn't see this until yesterday. And, I had access to it just before the launch started. But the reality is that I will not promote something if I haven't had a chance to take a look at it first and see whether it really is what they say it's going to be. So, well, basically, you can see here it says that they have 100,000% APY. Now, APY stands for annual percentage yield. Basically, what that means is the amount that the value of whatever it is goes up. So, for example, if you were to buy a house, you might get a mortgage with, say, a 4% APY, which basically means that you're paying 4% interest yearly. So this is 100,000% interest, which seems kind of insane. It doesn't really seem possible or sustainable. Now, there is a small catch to this, but it's not really much of a catch. So here it is. I'm going to lay it out for you right here. Okay, yes, the 100,000%, 100% true. Absolutely 100% true. That exists. That's not going to change. The only thing that it could change is that basically this is involved in the crypto market. Now, if you are familiar with crypto, or even not familiar with crypto, you probably heard at least of Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is the oldest crypto in the world. It is the best known crypto in the world. Currently, one Bitcoin, I believe, is going. Let me actually look it up while we're doing this. Currently, one crypto, I think it's about $43,000 right now. Okay, to see here, this is live. I just pulled it up. So currently, one Bitcoin is worth about $43,698. $43,698.70 as I'm recording this video. Now, I want to show you real quick the 5-year, over the past 5 years, what Bitcoin has been worth. So if you take a look, down here back in 2017, which isn't that long ago, it was worth $1,100. All right. Now, it did have a peak here in December of 2017. It peaked to $19,000, but then it went back down again, okay, to $3,183. And a lot of people at that point said, hey, you know what? A year later, I've lost a ton of money. Let me get out of Bitcoin. And of course, the people who got out, they lost a ton of money. But that started to creep back up again, and back up and up, back up and back up. And then all of a sudden, it started to hit $59,000, $61,000, $64,000. Now it is currently at $43,000. Now we're not talking about buying Bitcoin. The reason I'm bringing this up, though, is because you can see here that this is Bitcoin over 5 years, and it's had tremendous ups and downs in its value. Okay, now if I pull it up all the way from the beginning of Bitcoin, all right, when it first started trading, you can see here back in 2015 it's $327. If you bought it back then, it'd be worth an insane amount of money today. Anyway, bottom line is like this though: the value of your coins from this website will go up automatically. That is a guaranteed thing, that your coins go up automatically. You'll see 100,000% on your coins, but you do want to watch carefully, okay? Because of the fact that even though the value of your coins go up, doesn't necessarily mean that the coin is worth as much in US dollars or any other currency. Now, to be fair, they actually do mention this, and Jeremy, who actually presents the whole thing, shows you his results over a few weeks that he's been testing this thing out. And it did go down a little bit at first, and then it went back up again. And at this point, he's basically tripled his money in dollar terms. Okay, he's tripled his dollar terms investment. He put in about 200 and something dollars, and as I recall, he's now up to over 400 and something dollars. No, like $600, something like that. I forget exactly. You'll see it in the videos when you purchase this. Okay. Bottom line is he has actually gone up. Now, the reason that I wanted to take my time to do this is because I was a little bit confused when I first watched this video, and I figured if I'm confused, you might be confused. The first two videos, when you buy this thing, I would ignore those first two videos unless you really want to know, hear a lot of technical stuff that's telling you why he thinks this is legit, which, that's important that he thinks this is legit. If you trust me or if you trust Jeremy, Jeremy is a really, really honest person, one of the most honest people I know in this industry. And that's saying something, because I see a lot of people in the industry who basically will just do whatever they have to do in order to make money. They don't care. I personally have very high standards, and I will not promote something until I've actually seen what it is. And it took a while for me to go through everything, because he's basically in the first two videos of this course, I'll show you the course in a second because I do want to talk about my custom bonus as well. But the first two videos of this course, he's basically talking about the theory behind this program and why it works. And the trouble, of course, is that basically means that you're going to be sitting there probably rolling your eyes and saying, what the heck is he talking about? Okay, if you really want to get into the nitty-gritty, you want to go and start making some money, starting with video number 3, he shows you how to actually do that, how to actually set up your wallet with this place. And one thing that I really loved about Jeremy is that he is super careful to tell you over and over again, absolutely, positively, do not share your password or your information with anybody, because there are a lot of scammers in the industry, unfortunately, in the crypto world. And so he's really, really careful about that, which I was very impressed about. So anyway, I do want to talk about my custom bonus before we take a look at the members area, because as always, I do have the best custom bonus you are going to find. So my custom bonus is like this. I actually have 2 different bonuses that I'm going to be giving you. So first and foremost, I put together a package of 10 different ready-made review videos for products on Warrior Plus that you can actually sell. Now, this has nothing to do with crypto, okay? But basically what you've got here is ready-made bonuses and ready-made reviews with professional actors who actually introduce every single one of the reviews. So you literally will have the review ready to roll. Just plug in your own logo. You're going to get logos included for free. You can make your own logo, plug them in, put them on your YouTube channel, start promoting, make some money off of it. Now, what does that do with crypto? It doesn't have anything to do with crypto, but my thinking is like this. This thing, I would say, is something that is good for making some money. You got to watch it carefully. If you know, when you feel like you've made enough, pull your money out. Don't leave it sitting forever, and then roll that into investing in some traffic to make more money with a more sustainable business, which is what you're going to be getting from me. Okay, and again, I think I'm investing also. I'm putting my own money into this program. I believe in it. I think it's a good, solid product. I think it's great, but at the same time, I wouldn't rely on this to only be my source of income, because it is crypto, and crypto, as you saw, you know, we took a look at Bitcoin. You can see, yes, it does go up ultimately, but it can also have this thing going up and down like a yo-yo. You can see here, you know, it went down as low as $33,000 just a couple of months ago, you know, and a lot of people who decided to sell here back in January, like a few months ago, it was at 35,000. It's currently at 43,000. And a lot of people said, okay, you know what? I'm out. I'm walking away, and lost a lot of money. Now, the thing is, if you put in money that you have to have and you have to sell when it's in a down market, you're going to lose a lot of money. So that's why I say that if you need make your money in this thing and then use my bonus to make even more money. Basically, that gives you a win-win. Plus, it gives you two different sources of income, so you're not relying on any one source of income. So let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick. And see, it's basically just a PDF with links to videos that are going to tell you all about what to do in order to actually use this thing. Okay, not much of a members area really. Now, I also do have another bonus for you as well, two bonuses for you. So first and foremost, pick this up from me, and in addition to my done for you resources, where you're actually going to be able to get your ready-made review videos and everything included, including ready-made bonuses, by the way. So you literally, it's plug and play. Okay, everything is done for you. But in addition to those things that you're going to be getting from me for free, I'm also going to be including a few additional courses that I haven't given away before. Okay, these are fresh courses that you're going to be getting from me as an additional bonus, just because you are signed up for AutoGrow Crypto from me. But if you pick up any upgrade, this was very popular with my last promotion, so I decided to do it again. I've got another 6 of my own courses that I'm going to give you reassignable PLR rights to them. Okay, so basically pick up any upgrade from me, from AutoGrow Crypto, and I'm going to give you 6 more reassignable PLR courses. Okay, these are not the same as the ones I gave away with the previous promotion. These are different ones that I did not give away previously, and I'm going to give those away to you if you pick up any upgrade to AutoGrow Crypto. So let's see if I am going to go ahead and give a tip master product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you the man. I really do like this. This is great. I'm investing personally. I'm putting in some money of my own because I believe in this. I think this is great. And I think that this can make you a ton of money. Grab this one, you're going to love it.